XRP Ripple investors, mega warning. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price to DC trading. We have some crypto news to go over that will shock you, and then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. Let's start off with some breaking news. Yes, earlier last week, FTX received approval to liquidate $1.8 billion worth of crypto assets. Why is this important? Well, on September 13th, FTX will be allowed to liquidate $1.8 billion. They did receive approval to, liquidate overall $3.4 billion, but September 13th, it's going to be $1.8 billion. Here's a breakdown of the cryptocurrencies that can be liquidated. Starting off with Bitcoin, sitting around 268 million. We got ETH sitting around 90 million. And we have XRP sitting around $29 million. You guys need to prepare right now because it can get very volatile. I'm just giving you guys a warning because on that same day, September 13th, we also have a special event, which is the CPI data release for the month of August. Yes, September 13th at 8:30 a.m., CPI data will be released for the month of August. We're going to find out if in fact inflation is rising or slowing down. Based off, Benzinga, they do believe that inflation will rise 0.4% from July, which means we should expect some volatility, meaning we should see a lot of altcoins drop. I'm talking about a massive dump, another 20 to 30%. So be aware because we have $1.8 billion being liquidated September 13th, and we have CPI data being released, which can very well affect the crypto markets. So be prepared, because this is your chance to get in at a very, very cheap price. It looks like it's a good chance we are going to see a massive dump, and this is why I'm trying to warn you guys. Look at right here at the weekly time frame. What do we see from the XRP Ripple price? Well, the XRP Ripple price closed the weekly candle below 50 cents, which is not a good sign, meaning we're definitely going to be testing 44 to 45 cents. We did drop to 45 cents earlier today. Now, if we cannot hold this ascending line and we break it, we are definitely going to be retesting 30 cents. So this is your chance to start stacking your XRPs, dollar cost average. In 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. Like I said, the great shakeout we should expect in 2023. Maybe it's going to happen in 2 weeks. Maybe it's going to happen next month. We don't know, but it's going to happen in 2023. You have to prepare. Understand this is a long-term game. Trading crypto right now is very dangerous. Look at what's happening right now. September 13th, FTX is allowed to liquidate $1.8 billion worth of crypto. And we have Bitcoin sitting at $268 million. This is definitely going to be moving. Bitcoin, right now, the current price of Bitcoin is sitting around 25,400. We are definitely coming back down to 25,000 and retesting. I wouldn't be surprised if the Bitcoin price breaks below this and we possibly head to 20,000. Next week, reminder, we have the FOMC meeting as well. If Benzinga is correct and we do see a 0.4% jump from July, that means in the near future, we should expect some more interest rate hikes from Jerome Powell, which is not good for the US economy, and which means it's not good for the stock market and the crypto market. So yes, it looks like we're definitely going to be retesting 25,000 in the next couple weeks. If we cannot hold 25,000, XRP is definitely coming back down to 30 cents. With that being said, if we take a look at the DXY right now, what do we see from the DXY? It has came back down. We have seen some resistance, which is good, but it's still very early. We still don't have the CPI data, and we still don't have Jerome Powell speaking at the FOMC meeting. It's all going to depend on that. Now looking at the S&P 500, yes, we have seen some correction here. As you guys can see, the MACD indicator on the weekly is telling us to sell. As for the DXY, is telling us to buy on the weekly. These are not good signs for the crypto market as well. We have so many red signals telling us expect a massive sell-off in the next couple days. With that being said, taking a look at the weekly EMAs, what do we see? Well, XRP weekly candles have closed below for the past 3 weeks. The EMA 55, which is not a good sign. It looks like it is reversing. Volume is super low. People are not wanting to buy right now because they do expect it to drop even more. As for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been below for the past 4 weeks. So over a month now, it has been below the EMA 55, which is not good. It looks like it is reversing. If we do see the cross on the Bitcoin price from the, the EMA 20 with the EMA 55 for a sell, well, we're going to see a lot of red in the crypto market because Bitcoin dominance is sitting around 50%, which is still very strong, meaning whatever Bitcoin decides to do, the crypto market will follow. This is why we have to prepare for a massive sell-off. We have the FTX liquidation, we have the CPI numbers, and then we have all the indicators telling us to sell on the weekly and daily. You guys need to wake up and realize we may see a 30 cents XRP. My price prediction for this upcoming week is going to be a 40 to 45 cent XRP. If it gets really bad, well, expect a 30 cents XRP. With that being said, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction. If you made it this far, comment the number 700. Peace.